today I'm doing ninja apprentices on Nature Ninja will be the butterwort and the sundew. So you see down here, that star-shaped one is the butterwort, and it's a sort of like a Venus flytrap, just bigger, and the sticky sap in it and a sweet smell lures flies in, and then it dissolves. You can see there are some insects still in there, which is kind of cool. And then over here, see those little red spot things? Yeah? I think they like to live in clusters, and they're more like Venus flytraps than butterwort, because as you see for their shape, they're so say my hand was the sundew and my other hand was the fly, it would give off a nice smell, and the fly would go buzz, 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 and it dissolve. So I know they sound a bit disgusting, and they're known as carnivorous plants, or insect-eating plants, or IEP for short. But they are actually doing it for a living, so you've got to respect some plants and nature. And thanks for watching. Bye.